Hello there, hope you're all keeping well. So many of us got off to quite a gloomy start to the day this Saturday. As you can see on the satellite and radar picture from earlier, there's been a lot of cloud around, misty low cloud in places, and we've had those showers too, which have been extending their way northwards. Now as we continue on through the rest of the afternoon, still a few showers around at times, especially across more western parts, and here they could be heavy and thundery in places too, but there will be some sunshine in between, and we've got some patchy rain across parts of Scotland and northeast England, but elsewhere largely dry today, but staying quite cloudy and murky out there. The winds will be light, and we're looking at a top temperature up to around 9 or 10 degrees. Now as we move on through this evening and tonight, it does stay quiet out there, but once again more of that low cloud, mist and murk will be developing across many areas. I think the clearest of skies will be across parts of Scotland, so a touch of frost here. Elsewhere frost free with some rain coming into the south later on. Bye bye. Hello again, hope you've all had a lovely day so far. If you're making plans for the rest of the weekend, overall it's a fairly quiet weather story for many of us, although there will be some rain around at times, but for most it will be dry, albeit quite cloudy out there, with some fairly dense mist and fog patches to watch out for. Now for the rest of tonight, if you're heading out and about, still perhaps 1 or 2 showers around at times, but for most of us it will be dry, but we will see some of that dense mist and fog reforming, especially across central and eastern parts. The clearest of skies tonight will be across parts of Scotland, a touch of frost possible here, and then you can see by the end of the night we've got some rain working its way into southern parts, and that will extend its way northwards as we go through Sunday. So a gloomy start to the day tomorrow, some fog and some mist in places, rain pushing its way northwards, but either side of that system there will be some bright or sunny spells, and temperatures not too bad either. Highs this time up to around 11 degrees. Bye bye.